If you use Google Tag Manager, you'll learn that the CSS Selector is a really powerful tool to really select exactly what you want on the page. I generally like to use this w3schools.com kind of reference to see all the different options you have of what you can do. But once you get into the page and actually testing it, it can kind of be tedious. So what I recommend is using your console in Google Chrome and actually test out just writing out the CSS Selector and see if you can actually select on the page. So you can just write document dot query selector, and then you kind of do a little open bracket here, your single quotes, and then you could say button dot for class and do form dash to dash submit dash btn and close that out, and it grabbed that element right there. And then you could even do more advanced stuff. So let's say instead of just doing a class, we went back here and we just did some brackets, button, bracket, and then we did say type, and I'll do a tilde just to catch anything, equals submit, MIT, and just close that out. And once again, it grabs that element. If you'd like to learn more about Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, or Data Studio, feel free to subscribe to our channel.